Hi friends, welcome to your own channel. Word is Word. Today we are going to discuss on the law of diminishing intent. Don't miss the story of boiling frog at the end. Aim is to get inspired by inspiring others. Vision without action is a daydream. Action without vision is a nightmare. Both vision and action should follow each other like our feet. Success does not depend on making important decisions quickly, but it depends on our quick action on an important decision. Promptness is the soul of every success. Don't wait until you are ready to take action. Instead, take action to be ready. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with single step. Successful and effective people are those who act promptly on their major tasks and then discipline themselves to work steadily and single-mindedly until those tasks are complete. Our mind is like a muscle. It grows stronger and capable with use. With practice, you can learn any behavior or develop any habit that you consider either desirable or necessary. Take action on your plan immediately. Do something. Do anything. Take a small step towards desired goal. An average plan with a vigorously executed is far better than the brilliant plan on which nothing is done. For us to achieve any kind of success, prompt execution is everything. The law of diminishing intent was first coined by the great business philosopher, great writer, great motivational speaker Jim Rohn. According to him, here is the time to act when the idea is hot and the emotions are strong. That's the time to act. Action prompto, action immediate, action as soon as possible. Because if you don't, here is what happens. We call it law of diminishing intent. We intend to when the idea strikes us. We intend to when the emotion is high. But now if you don't translate that into action, fairly soon now the intent starts to diminish. Week from now it's cold. Month from now it can't be found. So set up a discipline to act when the emotions are high and the idea is strong, clear and powerful. If you have a good idea, a responsibility, a good plan, the time to do it is now. As you postpone it, lesser the chance of it to get it done. When we hear someone saying that they are going to start exercise or they want to spend quality time with their near and dear ones in near future, it's not going to happen. If your soul gets hooked to something really important, you will always find the time to do it. If you are too busy to do it right now, probably it doesn't hold much importance with your internal self. This is the reason there is always a tomorrow for our productive self, and there is a reason most people heavily underachieve at the conclusion of their lives. Many of you must have heard about story of a boiling frog. Frog is a cold-blooded animal gifted with many abilities. Frog can jump high and a long distance. Frog can adjust their body temperature to the surrounding. If we put a frog in a water vessel and heat it gradually, as the temperature of the water rises, frog is able to adjust its body temperature accordingly. The frog keeps on adjusting with increase in temperature. Just when the water is about to reach boiling point, the frog is not able to adjust anymore. At this point, frog decides to jump out. The frog tries to jump out but is unable to do so because it has lost all its strength in adjusting with the water temperature. Very soon the frog will die. What killed the frog? Many of us will say the boiling water. But the truth is, its inability to take decision when it had to jump killed it. Take home message is, if you take prompt action, things and situations are easy. If you postpone, same things will be fatal. Please like, comment, subscribe if you have not subscribed till now. Forward it to your family and friends. This is Dr. Dhananjay Patil signing out. Till we meet again in the next video. Bye. Take care. God bless us.